YouTube. Today I'm opening a box of basketball cards. This box comes with a rookie card, games used or autographed card, and it comes with 10 packs in it also. So let's get it started. Sorry for the quality, and I know it's terrible. I will be getting something better to record with soon. Right now I'm just using, I believe it's called webcam. Okay, so in this box, got one pack. We got that. We got, what's this? This top gun from footage. Oh my god. Let me try to get all of these out quiet. Look at this card. I didn't see the rookie game used or autograph card yet, so that's good. Got 2008, 2009 Upper Deck. We got 2009, 2010 Upper Deck again. We got 2010 11 Panini. I think I already we had two of these. Oh my god. We have a, what year is this? I'm not sure what year, but it's Panini. A Hot Prospects and a Rookie Stars. And so our rookie team used is a Danny Fortson. Not really sure who that is. From 1997. Pretty nice. 10th pick. 1997. That's nice. Okay, so now we will start off with 2008-2009 Hot Prospects. Okay, so we got Kevin Durant. Ooh, nice. Is that a rookie? I believe that's a rookie. Jason Richardson and Zach Randolph. Baron Davis. Kevin Martin. Okay. Let me find somewhere to put these at. Next is Panini. Sean May. Marc Gasol. Bruce Douglas. Not sure what that is. Or Zerbiak, I don't know, something like Zerbiak, Luke Walton, Michael Petras, Chris Bosh. This don't even have a back, whatever this is. Rookie Ty Lawson, who's a baller. A Chris Kaman, Louis Williams, Daquan Cook, Manu Ginobili. Those are nice packs. Rookies and Stars. Hackaway, David West, Jefferson, Donovan Haslam, Jeff Green, Rip Hamilton. Not really a rare card in there, but Kevin Love, Sean Sevilla, Manu Ginobili, Paul Pierce, Andrew Bowden. And now the 11 Panini. I'm terrible at opening these packs. And without you to keep. Juki Noah, Devin Harris, Monet, Stanley Robinson, Corey Brewer, Sean Marion, James Harden, Brooke Lopez, Thaddeus Young, Lamar Odom. I want to get a nice card. Okay, I'm gonna do this one next. Something with top. Jamal Crawford, Miller, Millsap, Ricky Davis, Josh Childress, Brandon Roy, Chris Bosh, he's extinct, David Lee, upside down, a few upside down cards, Spencer Hawes, Nick Young, Yi Jianlian, or Jian, I don't know, like that. Now a Panini Thread. Not sure what this is gonna be. Throw that pack away. Got another one of those. Jefferson, Jeff Green, Derrick Rose, Dwayne Wade. Not really worth the 20 bucks I spent, but oh well, it's fun. It's fun to do. Ooh, that's alright. A Hakeem Olajuwon. Memorable moments. 8 of 10. That's nice. Who is this? Robert Pack. Chris Mills. All these cards are stuck together, they're old. Lucius Harris. Anthony Peeler. Now a Upper Deck Project on 9. This is already open. It was halfway open when I got it. Dirk Nowitzki. Oh crap, what is that? Sorry. Mello. Gerald Wallace. Ricky Davis. Jermaine O'Neal. Josh Smith. Ben Wallace. Jamal Tinsley. John Salmons. Carlos Arroyo. Antoine Jameson. Backwards Hito Turkey Glue. I know it's Turkey Glue, but I call him Turkey Glue. Raja Bell. Thaddeus Young. Anthony Parker. Iguodala. Dirk Nowitzki. This looks. Oh, I was hoping I was a little older, but it's not. A Golden Star Quest. Yeah, man. Not sure what that is. And a UpperDeckKids.com that expired in 2009, 4 years ago. I think that's always nice. Get something that expired 4 years ago. Last pack. Hopefully something good. Says get a rookie card with every pack. My luck, could probably get a rookie card of some crappy player. KG, Tim Duncan, Danilo Gallinari, Monte Ellis, John Salmons, Carlos Boozer, Gilbert Arenas, Bill Walker. Star rookies of DeMar Carroll in gold lettering, I guess that's what you can say. Spud Webb, George Hill, Mike Miller, Ramon Sessions, Shaq, Danny Granger, Andre Iguodala, Chris Bosh, Roger Mason. Okay, so we're done opening them up. So some of the nicer cards I've gotten, in my opinion, are. Hold on, let me look for this other card. Oh, never mind. Just my 3 best cards I probably got. Kind of got ripped off. A hot prospect, Kevin Durant. What? Second overall. Somebody messed up. Whoever had that first pick messed up. Picked someone else instead of KD. Someone messed up, man. A hot prospects, Jason Richardson, Zach Randall. Oh crap. That's the back. It's not even, it's nowhere near rare, but it's probably right here. Probably the best one because it's signed. A Danny Fortson autograph. Never heard of Danny Fortson, but that's the back of it. Thank you for watching my video. Comment and like and please subscribe. Thank you.